You can use the statement of notification of your results. That's fine. So as the next step, you will have to personalize that NMSC portal through which you can monitor the progress of all the whole registration process. So the step 7, you need to pay 17,000 on a remitter. How you're going to do that? You're going to pay that online. If you are outside, if you're applying from Nigeria, you can pay that from anywhere from Nigeria. Or you can as well contact some people who lives in UK. People who live in UK can help you make the payment and submit for you. You can pay online or in a bank. Alongside, you need the evidence of payment. You send the copies of the following documents to the account you have opened in NMC office, preferably they are in Abuja if you apply from Nigeria. So the step 8, you need a letter requesting for verification and letter of good standing from your association. You must include your CRM number here, and this CRM number can be found at the top left of the email NMC UK sent after you have made the payment, the £140. The letter should be addressed to NMSCN and should include your name and the exact thing you want. So thereafter, the verification follows and letter of good standing with NMC UK. You must have to wait for weeks to be verified by NMCN. Some pay for fast track though, if you wish. Step 9, wait. You have to wait to be verified and get an authorization to text email from person, the organization that handles the CBT exam, to book CBT.